In this video, I will show you the steps to perform a one-sample z-test on your Ti84. In this example, we have a commuter flight between two cities that is advertised to take 56 minutes gate to gate. A random sample of 16 flights yields an average time of 61 minutes. The airline claims the population of flight times is normal and the standard deviation is 8 minutes. We want to know if there's evidence the flight time is actually greater than 56 minutes. So let's start by writing out all the information that we have in our problem. Summarize it so it's easy to enter in the calculator. The first thing is we notice that our null and alternative hypotheses will be H naught mu is equal to 56, and our alternative mu is greater than 56, where mu naught is equal to 56 minutes. Our sample size is equal to 16, our sample mean is equal to 61, and our population standard deviation is equal to 8 minutes. So make sure that you can pull out all the information from the problem first. Writing it down makes it really helpful to enter it into the calculator. So the first step when we go to the calculator is to go to the Stat button. Scroll over to Tests, and it's the first option under Tests, Z-test. Press Enter. There's two options. You can have Stats, which will be most likely what we'll use most of the time. The other is Data. If you choose Data, you'll need to enter in a list of data. Then use it here as your information for your sample. We have summary information from our sample, so we're going to use Stats. The first step is to put in our claim. Here, that is 56. The population standard deviation is equal to 8. The sample mean is 61, and our sample size is 16. Next, we have to put in our alternative hypothesis. Again, the null hypothesis is always pretty boring. It's always equal to our claim. So the alternative hypothesis is what we'll have to put in here. It's not a two-sided test, so we need to scroll over to the alternative that looks exactly like what we've written over here. Mu is greater than our claim. So mu is greater than mu naught is the one we'll choose. And scroll down then to calculate. Here we get a z-test statistic of 2.5, a p-value of 0.0062, and then it'll show us again our sample mean and our sample size. This is good to look at to make sure that we've entered in the correct information. This is the same answer that we got when we did it in the lecture.